eats up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into.
Oh guys, I think I'm getting sick. Oh. But I got an artwork in the mail which I ordered ages ago, and I wanted to show you guys it. So I'm just going to go get it and unbox it and show you guys what I got. BRB. So it's a glass frame print, and the box has definitely been like dropped, or something's been dropped on it, so I kind of wanted to unbox it on camera in case anything is broken inside, because that'd be so fun if my frame is shattered. But I thought I better actually unbox it just in case I have to make a returns claim, you know. I always get worried, like when you get fragile things delivered and you can like just tell that something has just been totally dropped on top of it. Like, thanks. It's great for my fragile parcel. Oh my gosh, my nose won't stop running. Oh, I'm stuck. And this is the print. I got it off Temple and Webster. It's literally storm clouds, but I just feel like it's gonna look really pretty in my lounge room. And you guys know I love like clouds and storm clouds and stuff, so I think that's gonna look really nice. So it's literally like 2 days since I unboxed the photo, and I was fine yesterday. Like all day Friday, I just sort of cleaned the house and chilled out a bit because I thought I was getting sick. Then I worked all day yesterday, and then I woke up in the middle of the night like I couldn't stop blowing my nose, and today I just have like pain all across my sinus, and I'm like 10 times snottier than usual. So I think it's a sinus infection. And little Miss Lily's here. Hello friends. She needs a haircut so bad. I'm gonna have to charge this camera and then I can hang my photo because I want to vlog hanging it. But I just use these little wall plugs. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they're like, if it'll even focus on it, probably not. So they're like a little plastic plug that you put into gyprock. So you just drill a hole into the gyprock, then you pop this little plastic plug into it, and then you actually drill your screw into the little plastic thing, and they work a treat. They don't come out of the wall then. So when you put the screw in, this bit expands and it kind of like hooks onto the gyprock. So that's what I use to hang my photos.
Good morning guys, I'm hopeless, and it's literally like another 2 days later because I charged my camera and I just felt so sick that I could not be bothered. I still haven't hung up that picture, so I'll do that today, but I'm just taking some flat lays because I got some new makeup in the mail, so I want to take some photos of it before I actually use it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna try that tomorrow. Hopefully I feel better because I'm sick and tired of having a snotty nose. So yeah, I'm just trying to be more productive in the morning. So like if there's dishes to do or put away and stuff, like I've been trying to do that first thing and not like, you know, sitting on the internet all morning. I love following Steph from Just Another Mummy blog because she just has so many good like suggestions for like being productive and like helping to get shit done. So following her steps with a lot of things, or trying to follow her steps.
Ugh. Hey! Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, so I kind of want to make sure like the photo is roughly the same height as the clock that's over in the kitchen. So I'm just going to measure. Are we sure? I read that wrong. I fucking read that wrong. Right. So look around, here for screw. Guess we'll bloody set it go, won't we? Got Brett's drill. Let's just hope there's no studs here. Don't think there is. Put that little thing in there. Hannah the builder, can she fix it? Hannah the builder, hopefully she can. So now I put the screw in the little like that. I think she's good, and now I should go just hang this up and hopefully it's centered. Oh, that's just a little bit crooked. Okay. There we go. Cool. I think that picture looks really nice there, so I mean just ignore the rest of the mess, but now we've got a little picture there. Cute. I feel like it looks like it's not centered. That's right. Could be worse. Oh, at least I've been a little bit productive today. I took some flat lays, I've hung a picture. Can lay in bed now for the rest of the day. No, not really. I have to do laundry. I have to wash my sheets and stuff because I've got to film a try on haul tomorrow, and I need to change my bedding because I like to have light bedding in the background when I take pictures of my outfits. You know what I mean? On to your grocery haul.
Fuck no.
That just sounds really broken. Back now.
Fuck no.
Do it. In the front of the
Got
camera.
me large Canon monster from the servo.
I ordered a dress and it came. Fits me, but it's still not on.
Did it come with 3 eyebrows?
Don't bag out my... I wish you guys could see him laughing at his own joke. He's literally like cracking up laughing. I just got my eyebrows done. Just got them henna tinted. I haven't washed my face yet. They're really dark the first day you get them, but as soon as I wash my face in the morning, they're not crazy. They look crazy now because they're marinating.
Like
Come around here. Just come
I
here.
gotta go put my trackies on.
Come here. Just come here, honey. I love seeing you. Guys, can you please tell Brett in the comments that you love seeing him in the videos? He doesn't believe me. Literally, people always say they want to see more Brett and Mama Jojo. They like you two more than they like me.
Wow, that's not a surprise.
Honey, come here and do a little HelloFresh haul with me. Otherwise, I'll keep getting marriage requests and Gonzalo will keep saying
keep denying them.
Gonzalo will keep telling me I'm one of his 18 virgins.
Jesus. Sorry, Gonzalo, mate.
Oh, so we got our HelloFresh. This feels really heavy. It feels like it's more than 3. Have they sent us more than what they were supposed to? I feel like they have.
I'm only seeing 3.
You are? Mm-hmm. We've got Portuguese style chicken. Yum. I think we've had that before. With Dijon mustard. and yeah, I think we
I
have.
don't think we've had with that side.
I don't think it's had that salad, but I'm pretty sure we've had that style of chicken.
We have that for dinner.
You want this tonight?
Yeah.
I gotta cook it since you cooked the last 3. Then we've got the red pesto and bacon penne. I haven't had red pesto before, but I've had their penne, like pesto pasta dishes, and they're good. They're really quick. About 25 minutes to make that. And then we have a dinner to lunch one, and it's gnocchi, which I think we've had this too. So there are meals from HelloFresh. I actually cancelled it a while ago because I was just like overcooking. But I ordered again because I wanted some nicer food, and I also got a gift card in the mail with like 50% off. Oh gosh, these groceries are so heavy. So because I got the 50% off, I was like, oh, I might as well use it. So I'm sure you guys have all heard of HelloFresh like a million times over, because like every man and their dog, I swear, has it these days. But it's really handy because all the meals just come in different bags, and yeah, good to go. I feel like there's a lot of ingredients. Oh no, there's been a leakage.
But
Just a little leakage.
too much sauce.
Just a little one.
You got lost in sauce. Oh, we have fucking pizza.
Honey,
Why did I waste that?
why did you?
Trying to get too healthy and fucking just having these smoothies.
Dish one. Oh my gosh. Fridge police. Oh my god.